Hey guys, it's me again, Mr. C. As always, smash that subscribe button. This video is brought to you by the calendar on my wall. Swing by, get your tutoring in. Anyway, this is going to be a accumulation of all the factoring methods. So, made a nice little flow chart here. First look for greatest common factor. Always check for greatest common factor. From there, it could already been factored from this one step. But if you got to keep going, it could be a difference of squares, just a regular trinomial with no a trinomial with an A, or four terms where you do the grouping method. So I'm going to, let's see if this will work like I want it to. These are kind of small, so I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to try to make them bigger. Oh, oh boy. Oh, quit that. Easy text. Oh, you know what? We'll just try to solve it from there. I start moving it around, who knows what's going to happen. All right, so check for greatest common factors. I don't see any. They go, and again, this is difference of squares. So we'll just start with our parentheses. Let's see, square root of x, x. Square root of 64, 8. Make one plus, make one minus. Ooh, this guy, I do, and again, as always, pause the video, go ahead and try it out for yourself. But for this guy, we do see some greatest common factors. A 2 and an n. So 2n. So we get here, 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then we have an m squared hidden there. And n's cancel, so then minus, or n, see 3, it's like a minus a 1 there. The 2's cancel, so we're looking at a n squared on that one. This 2 is going to be on the back burner, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it right there. I do know I'm going to set up double parentheses here, and then go to commits to taking the square roots. Square root of 9, 3. Square root of m squared, that's just an m. I may not have given myself enough space, but square root of n is n. Oh, I'm barely making them fit. Make one plus, make one minus. Ooh-wee. There we go. All right, I'm going to try to navigate over here to the trinomial one, so let's see what happens. Ooh, well, at least I got there. Kiss these goodbye. If you need them, better pause the video. Boop. All right, let's try to knock these guys out. It is a trinomial. I don't see any greatest common factor, and remember, this is when we got to do the x. Put negative 42 on top. We're going to put looks like a negative 1 there, so a negative 1. Do some critical thinking. I'm thinking it's 6 and 7, but I need it to be a negative 1. So negative 7 is going to have to, well, the negative's got to go on the 7 is what I'm trying to say. So 6 times negative 7 is negative 42. 6 minus 7 is negative 1. Then you just come on over here and put it in your parentheses. And, as always, smash that subscribe button. Alright, this next guy is going to have a greatest common factor, and this one's just going to be a 2. So 2 parentheses, let's see, w squared plus 10w plus 25. Again, number 2 is going to be on the back burner, so I'm just going to put it right there. And I'll just go ahead and set up some parentheses here. I know w is going to be a contender, so I'll put that in there. But we're going to have to make that x. Put that 25 on top, and put the 10 right there. And what two numbers? Oh, I already know what they are. 5 and 5. And they're both positive. Bing, bang, boom. 5 and 5 make 25. 5 plus 5 is 10. Yep, works out. Good luck fitting that in the box. All right. Again, I'm going to try to Neanderthal this thing over. Again, pause the video if you need to. Oh, nope, 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 nope. I'm moving. Oh! There we go. That was scary. This is the slide, slip and slide. I don't remember calling it slip and slide. I'm crossing it bottoms up. We're singing a song here. Anyway, let's scroll down and try to solve this one. Again, checking for greatest common factors. And again, pause the video if you want to try it out on yourself first, and then, hit play, check your work. Anyway, I'm thinking 6 don't go into that guy. So 3 might be our greatest common factor. So take a 3 out of everything. 30 divided by 3 is 10, x squared. Negative 27 divided by 3 is negative 9. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Holy moly. I'm running out of battery power. I better just plug this in. I'll keep an eye on it. So, we do have a leading coefficient now. So, again, draw your... let's move that so we don't have that line in the middle of the way. There we go. So, 10 minus... Or not minus, what am I saying? Times 2 is going to be... 10 times 2 is 20. And negative 9 on the bottom. Again, don't forget about 3. We're putting him on the back burner. But if we think about it, it should be, let's see, negative 4, negative 5. Negative 4, negative 5 is negative 9. Multiply positive 20. Yep. Bing, bang, boom. I feel like I'm forgetting to do something. Oh, I gotta divide by 10. Woo! Alright, let me give myself some more space. Let's see, reduce fractions. So x minus, let's see, 4 over 10 would be 2 over 5. And then that's 1/2. And then from here, we do the bottoms up. So 3, 5x minus 2, 2x minus 1. Let's see, we're supposed to get 30 out of that. 2 and 5 is 10, 30. Yeah, I don't think that'll work out. And again, pause the video as you need to. Again, I'm going to be hopping around trying to keep this short, but I am going to figure out or finish this flow chart. So kiss that goodbye. Just get our cursor and there we go. Oh boy, slow down. All right, and this is going to be grouping. No, that's good enough. We'll just park it there. Get my little red cursor here, and I do not see a greatest common factor out of this guy because not all of them have a B, not all of them have an A. 2, 1. I know some are going to be cheeky and say 1. We're not playing that game right now. So let's commence to grouping them. First one, I can pull looks like just an A squared. Okay, so A squared. Let's see, like 3 minus 2 is just going to be the 1, so 2A. Those cancel, and then minus B, since that's left over. The goal is to get the same parentheses, and I can already tell, pretty sure I can pull a 5 out and get the results I want. So, plus 5. I'm going to run over off this border here, but whatever. 2A minus B, hope you can see that. Parentheses are the same, so we're doing the right thing. So bring down the A squared, bring down the 5, and then bring down the 2A minus B. And then my little good old catchphrase, bing, bang, boom, all done. Pause the video. So, again, let me check my time. Let's just try to add 5 more minutes, and then I'm going to stop it. Because, again, I'm running out of power, which I don't even know if y'all can see my desktop. Anyway. Boop. Let's see here. You know what, whatever. We'll do 2 real quick. Again, pause the video as you see fit. Hit play and check your work. But I'm going to do 2, and, well, I can take a K out of both sides, or both terms. Excuse me. Again, was that little Japan. Guess what? That's right. Bing, bang, boom. That's done. Let's look down here. Anything special? I'll do 3 real quick. It ain't gonna hurt. I know I can take a 4x out of everything. So 4x. Let's see. 4 cancels. X. Remember, it's like there's 2 x's there. So one of those cancel. One of those cancel. We'll just have X. So x and anything divided by itself is 1. Bing, bang, boom. So what else we got to work with? I'm going to do 5 real quick. So pause it and hit play again. It's a trinomial. Greatest common factor, there is none. I'm going to go straight to the x. 72 goes on top. 17 goes on the bottom. And I know immediately that it's 9 and 8. Because 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 times 8 is 72. And then just put in parentheses. I'm beginning to like this calligraphy pen. I mean, it's starting to grow on me after I figured out to pick the smaller one and not the fatter one, just the skinnier one here. Remember, this video is brought to you by, let's see what else I got laying around. My calculator caddy. Holds the calculators, even though it's missing 6, but whatevs. Maybe I'll find them one day. Let's see, I'll just get those. Ooh, that looks like a monster. We'll do. We'll need a calculator for that one, so I'll just do 9. Let's see which torture I can put myself through. Excuse me. Oh boy, this is going to be rough. So we got a 70 here. Not a 70. What am I saying? That's a 7. That's an 80. That's a 100. Can't pull 7. Won't go in any of those. There's P. So we just got to go straight to mate. Oh man, this 7 times 100. 700. I am never going to find the number for this. And then, as always, 80 goes on the bottom. And I guess if I was... Oh, I think I got it. Oh, I got it. Look. 1070. Because 10 plus 70 is 80. 10 times 70 is 700. Oh, I thought that was going to be hard. Tee. So P plus 10. Okay, P plus 70. I'm running out of space. I'm sorry. Don't forget, we got to divide by that 7. So 7 can't go into 10 evenly. This is reduced. Bottoms up. 7P plus 10. And 7 can go into 70 10 times. So P plus 10. And again, doing some quick math. 7P squared. 10, 70 makes the 80. 10, 10, 10. Yep. Man, that was easier than I thought it was going to be. Boop. Again, as always, pause video as you see fit. Grouping. I'm just going to do 14. Again, no. Yeah, we'll do 14. Yeah, let's see if there's one better at the banana. Let's do 16 instead. Go ahead and pause the video, copy it, and then hit play when you're ready. Looking real quick, I don't believe we got a greatest common factor. I don't think we do. So, go straight to grouping. Remember, you want to include that sign for that third term. Let me adjust this up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to factor 3, 3x squared. Sorry about the sloppy handwriting there, but 3x squared. Let's see, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1 of those x's, first degree. 15 divided by that ugly looking 3 would be a 5. And then the x squares cancel, and I am completely out of room over here, so let me move this. Okay, that did not move at all. Let me just move this. Kiss that goodbye. Oh, whoa, this thing's bouncing around the screen. Bring the, oh, whoo, I did not know. Oh, what am I doing? Stop. Okay, just bring, guys, I'm so sorry. This thing has a mind of its own. Stop it, computer. All right, those are kind of out of the way. Sorry for the mess. Let's see, we can divide negative 7. That's right. We want to use the negative so we can change that leading coefficient in the second kind of binomial so it matches the first. So negative 7 Because see, negative 28 divided by negative 7 gives us that positive 4. We need that positive 4. 35 divided by negative 7 gives us a negative 5. And see that? They match. And that was the goal. If we use the positive 7, they wouldn't be matching. The signs would be wrong. And bump it down a little bit. So 3x squared minus 7. And then 4x minus 5. That's right. Bing, bang, boom. I think that's about all of it. I mean, pretty much factored all the different ways. There was a difference of squares. Maybe I should try to find one of those. I'm not seeing it. Oh, hey, there we go. Found me one. So as always, check for greatest common factors. I don't see any. I think my computer's running hot. I just burned my little finger. So start with your parentheses. In 64, square root of 64 is 8. 8, make one positive, make one minus. I think I hit them all. Let's see if there's something kind of wacky that might need some of my attention. I think that's about it. Again, remember, study. Remember, this video is brought to you by, let's see what other thing I got. Oh, that hashtag boss on my desk. You too could be a boss if you just practice your math, because math is cool. Bye. Again, smash that subscribe button.